Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Liberty Soundcore Air 2 Pro earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. If they're not connecting or they're not staying connected or you're having volume issues or maybe only one of the earbuds is making sound and the other one is not, any kind of issues like that, very often a hard reset can fix the problem. So to get started for the hard reset, first we want to make sure that our earbuds are fully charged. And once we know that they're fully charged, we just want to go ahead and place them in the case like this. And then once they're in the case, fully charged and in the case, we want to, on the actual case itself, we want to press and hold this button here, and press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and that will trip it to go into a reset mode. Now, you should turn your Bluetooth off when you do this, so that it doesn't try to connect or anything like that. And then once you get it reset, you can turn your Bluetooth back on and reconnect them. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.